Dude, this is California. Get out of there, dudes. This is my spot. I could see the sharks underneath there. Hopefully, they don't come and eat us. They won't. Dude, this is gorgeous. We're gonna get some awesome waves and some awesome explosions. Just like a big wave. We ride it on out, I tell you, dude. Yo, this is New York. I don't really like being upside down like this. Tell you that right now.
Uh-oh.
Washington! I'm here! Dude, you have to calm down. Why? Because, dude, not everybody likes the screaming. But I'm not screaming. Dude, this is Maine. I'm here with California. Hopefully we can make some explosions. I'm not too excited. I'm just Maine. It's Iowa. I'm excited. Uh-oh. California, you okay? Dude, I'm falling. I'm just ready to explode. I think it's Wayne.
It's Maine.
Kind of like the crab. Here we go. I calmed everybody down. That's good.
No, you made it worse.
Uh-oh. I think I made it worse.
They're still shaking.
Dude, this is gonna be righteous. North Dakota?
Kansas.
Kansas. This is Kansas. Uh-oh, we lost Arkansas. This is Washington. I don't want to go in the ocean. Dude, you might have a choice. You may go all the way to Japan. There's West Virginia. We like the big explosions too. Let's see if we can get everyone them there. We're gonna make this happen. I know we are. Georgia.
Look at the shaking.
Always on my mind. Dude, Georgia, what are you doing down here? We're ready to explode. Aloha! Welcome to my lovely... Uh-oh.
Look at Georgia.
Uh-oh. Aloha! Georgia's having problems. It's spinning around. Oh, no.
Georgia, are you okay?
Dude, hey, this is Florida. This is not helping me. Uh-oh. Georgia, whoa! Dude, where'd everybody go?
They exploded.
This is